Welcome back to a brand new video here on Wealth Hub. My name is Gibmoses, and in today's video, this is a very important video because Litecoin has broken above our bullish pivot. What does this really mean for Litecoin in the short term? Let's get into that in this video. So I'll be covering our short term and our medium time frame, as well as the long-term time frame, so pay close attention. This video might get a bit complicated, so take notes, do whatever you gotta do. If this video helps you out, as always guys, continue hitting that like button. Now going back to this major trend line. This major trend line we've been speaking about multiple times throughout the channel. As you guys can see, right over here, we failed to break above. Right here as well, we failed to break above. And our third touch, we failed. However, we went for a pullback and then a confirmation break above. This right here signals that buyers are in. They're back in control, which signals that there's going to be further bullish momentum to the upside. Alright, now this does not make our bullish momentum to the upside 100% confirmed. What makes it 100% confirmed? I'll give you such scenario in a few minutes. However, let's first see what the possible scenarios are around the corner. Our first scenario is going to be our bullish scenario. If such a level at $76 continues holding above and we don't break below it, your next target will be at $82.92. Cool. Which earns you a whopping 7.8% return. Now on the other hand, let's go ahead and label this in yellow. This is our bullish fractal. And now our bearish fractal, or our bearish scenario, which is unlikely on my radar right now because we are above our bullish pivot point as well as our trend line. However, a scenario that I'm going to put on the table just in case it does happen. The market is full of probabilities. Our goal is not to guess where the next market is headed, where the next direction is going to be. Our goal as investors is to act accordingly to the price action that we get. So since we are above our two pivot points at $76, there's a higher chance that we go for such. There's a higher chance that we go to the upside. Now let's assume that price action is weak, buyers are weak, there is no demand, and we break below, again below our bullish pivot point and our trend line at $76. What this would mean is that we're headed for further price action to approximately $74. Cool. Which sets up for this head and shoulder pattern. And when measuring our target, bingo, same exact target as our 1.618 fib level. So our bearish target, in most simple terms, we crossed below our trend lines. Look out for 73 to around $74 and then a further continuation. Now we can probably all agree that both scenarios are bullish, meaning that they're going to go up in the long term. However, in the short term, do expect some kind of volatility. If you're a short-term trader, and we're talking a couple of minutes to a few days, then this level at 74 to around $75 is a very important zone. If you're a long-term investor and you don't care about this pullback, then you know what to do. In more simple terms, if we're headed up in the long term, there's no reason to be stressing. and a buy zone at such levels wouldn't hurt. If you're like me and you're trying to secure that bag for the cheapest price, then wait for $74. Alright, so you're looking at approximately 12% return. So this right here is Litecoin. I'm going to give you all a quick recap. That way it's completely built in your minds. Litecoin broke above our bullish pivot point. We're holding above $76. This is an indicator that we have a higher chance of breaking to the upside. Now, if Litecoin for any reason continues to lose momentum, bulls are no longer in control, there's no demand, then look out for 74 target and then a further continuation. Nevertheless, both scenarios are giving us a rally towards $82. So let me know in the comment section below, which scenario are you most likely leaning towards? Without further ado, I hope you all enjoyed this video, gave you some kind of insight of what's happening in the market. With that being said, I'll see you all in tomorrow's video.